Good afternoon, my dear students. Today topic is matrix and objective. The first question: the order of the matrix A is 3 by 5 and that of matrix B is 2 by 3. The order of the matrix BA is options A, B, C, D is given. The solution: the matrix A is given 3 by 5 and the matrix B is given 2 by 3. Then what you have to find out? BA. So the matrix B is order is 2 by 3 and the matrix A is order is 3 by 5. Then 3 get cancellation. Then you will get the matrix BA is 2 by 5. So option C is the correct. Next question: if A is matrix of order m by n and B is the matrix such that AB dash and B dash A are both defined, then the order of the matrix B is, so option A, B, C, D is given. The solution: the matrix A is equal to m by n. The matrix A equal to m by n is given. Suppose let here what we take in here, O of A. If you take O of A equal to m by n, so what you want here? O A dash. What is O dash here? N by n. Let if you take O of B equal to L by K. L by K. What is the OB dash here? K by L. So therefore AB dash exists means what here? K equal to n. B dash A exists means L equal to n. So what you want to find out? OB. OB means what? L by K. So what is L here? M. By what is the K here? N. So therefore OB means what here? B. So what you have to find out? The matrix B equal to m by n. So what is the option is D. Next, third question: if the matrix A is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, then A square plus 2A. Option A, B, C, D is given. The solution: the matrix A is given 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is the 3 by 3 matrix is equal to I. So what you have to find out? A square. A square means what here? A into A. If you multiply A into A, then you will get A square is equal to 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Then again what you want to find out? 2A. 2A means 2 into A. What is the A matrix? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. If you multiply of 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2. So therefore A square plus 2A. So what is the A square? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 plus 2A means 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2. So therefore A square plus 2 equal to 1 plus 2 is 3, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0. So then you will get 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 3. So here common is what is the common? 3. If you take 3 common, 3 into 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is the what here? What is the given matrix? A. So therefore 3 into A, 3A. Then what is the option? Option is A. Next question: which of the given values of x and y make the following pair of matrix equal? 3x plus 7, 5, y plus 1, 2 minus 3x, comma, 0, y minus 2, 8, 4. Option A, B, C, D is given here. What is the given here? Two pairs are equal. So x equal to y. X equal to y. So what is the x matrix? Means 3x plus 7, 5, y plus 1, 2 minus 3x is equal to 0, y minus 2, 8, 4. So here the first pair of the here and the first pair of here comparing here, 3x plus 7 equal to 0 and 5 equal to y minus 2. Again same here, y plus 1 equal to 8, 2 minus 3x equal to 4. Therefore if comparing 3x plus 7 equal to 0, then 3x equal to minus 7, x equal to minus 7 by 3, or 2 minus 3x equal to 4, minus 3x equal to 4 minus 2, minus 3x equal to 2. Then x equal to what? Minus 2 by 3. Again here, y plus 1 equal to 8 means y equal to 7, or 5 equal to y minus 2, then y equal to 7. Just look at here, what you want to find out, x and y. So x equal to minus 7 by 3, y equal to 7, or x equal to minus 2 by 3, y equal to 7. Just verify options here. The options, what is the option is given? Y equal to 7 and x equal to minus 2 by 3. Therefore, what is the option here? C. Next question. If matrix A equal to cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha is given, then A into A dash. The solution, the A equal to cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. This is the 2 by 2 matrix. Here, what is the A dash? A dash means here, the interchange the rows and columns. Therefore, cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Then what you want here? A into A transpose. A into A dash or A to the power of t. So therefore, what is the A? Cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha into what is the A transpose? Cos alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. If you multiply both two matrix, then you will get 1 0 0 1. 1 0 0 1, what is this here? The 2 by 2 matrix of order is I. Therefore, A into A transpose is equal to I. What is the option is D. Question number 6 here. If the trace of A is 7, then the trace of 7A is equal to. Solution, trace A equal to 7. One formula is a trace of K equal to K into trace A. Therefore, trace of 7A equal to 7 into trace A. Therefore, 7 into what is trace A? 7 into 7, 49. So, the option is D. D means 4 here. Question number 7. If A equal to 1 minus 2 xy and A into A transpose equal to I, then x equal to. The given matrix A, and what is A transpose? 1 minus 2 xy. Therefore, A into A transpose equal to I. If you multiply two matrix, then you will get 5 x minus 2y, x square plus y square equal to 1 0 0 1. If you comparing two matrix here, if it not possible, therefore this option is here D. Eighth one, this is very important, that if a matrix A equal to 2 minus 2 minus 2 2, then A to the power of n equal to 2 to the power of k into A, where k equal to. The matrix A is given. Find out A square equal to what? A into A. So again, if A, what is A matrix? 2 minus 2 minus 2 2. Again 2 minus 2 minus 2 2. If you multiply two matrix, you will get 8 minus 8 minus 8 8. If you take 2 common here, 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4. Again, if you take 2 common here, A square equal to 2 into 2, 2 minus 2 minus 2 2. This is the what is the matrix? The given A. Therefore, A square equal to 4A. Suppose if you want to find out A cube, what is A cube? A square into A. Therefore, A cube equal to, what is A square given? Already got that. A square equal to 4A into A. Therefore, A cube equal to 4A square. A cube equal to 4, what is A square again? 4A. Therefore, A cube equal to 16A. A cube equal to 16 can write as 2 to the power of 4. Therefore, let us just look at here. Suppose A power n equal to 2 to the power of 2 into n minus 1 into A. Suppose put n equal to 3 here. 2 into 3 minus 1, 2. 2 into 4. It is correct. Therefore, A cube equal to 2 to the power of k into A. Then what you want? K. K equal to what? 2 into 2 to the power 2 into n minus 1. This is a very important problem. Therefore, what is the option is T. Thank you all of you.